Hey guys, this is William here. In today's video, I'm going to talk about how to rank #1 on YouTube. That's right, how to rank #1 on YouTube. If you're new to this channel, make sure to hit subscribe, turn on the bell notification. My name is William. I have over 20 years of SEO experience. We talk about everything on here from how to get clients to how to rank in local map pack to how to get your mindset right or scale your agencies. Lots of things we cover on this channel and you don't want to miss it. So if you're not subscribed, please hit subscribe and turn on the bell notification.
Do it.
Without further ado, let's go ahead and show you some things. So a couple of things I do to reduce my workload is I have a template. My template allows me to go and I know exactly, for example, when I make a video, my title is going to go here, my hashtags are going to go here, my description will usually go here. Sometimes I'll put it at the bottom, I'm testing that out a little bit, and then I'll have my timestamps or your key moments of your video. Then this is my, if you will, canned text, in which I'm going to put that in every single video. And that's going to be, hey, if you love William, please follow me here or reach out to me, right?
Hey, how you doing?
So this template is based off of this tool right here, which I'm going to show you that I use, right? It is PCS Tube Growth.
Interesting.
PCS Tube Growth allows me to do my keyword research. It allows me to pull out emojis, find the trending keywords, find the trending hashtags, a little bit of everything, and also have an AI descriptor or description writing inside the actual tool.
I like that.
So once I have an idea, for example, of what I'm going to do as far as keyword suggestion, let's just go over here to keyword suggestion and we'll type in weight loss methods and hit search. And it's going to come back with all these different keywords and phrases, etc., that I could then turn around and use. I mean, because sometimes you're looking to lose weight, to help you with dating, etc., all this other stuff. So we could choose these different topics, right? How to lose weight. That's a real popular one. It's like methods of losing weight. So let's go over here. First thing I want to do, for example, is whenever I'm creating a video, let's say I'm trying to now do videos and it's just going to be about weight loss. I'm going to create a playlist that is about weight loss. And then inside of every video on that playlist is going to have this correlating video. So this video will have one link, the next video will have the previous one, and the next one, and the next one, and you continually build off of that.
Write that down, write that down!
If you know anything about local SEO, we would call this siloing your content, or if you will, your pillar content. Your pillar content being, these are the topics that we cover on this channel, and these are the playlists. The playlists are your pillars, and inside of each of those playlists, you have all of your content daisy chained. They should all be linked together, and this is the way in which we do it, is through video series. So for example, we want to create one here. We're going to create it new. It's going to be called Weight Loss Hacks, right? And we create the new, if you will, series. That's our new series. It's all going to be on weight loss, and that's it, right? And you can have your list of items, and here's your whole series that you're going to do. And you can do another one, and we're going to call it, you know, something else like weight loss tips, weight loss transformations. You get the point, right? All right, create the new series. So now we have, if you will, a new series, right? Your key moments are what we like to call timestamps. So inside every single video, we have timestamps. Or at this minute, William was talking about how to lose weight. At this minute, William was talking about exercise to help lose weight. At this minute, William was talking about the tools he uses to help him lose weight or the foods he likes to eat. Okay? Those are all your key moments. Your key moments should be based upon the key words or key phrases that you're trying to rank for. One of the top ranking factors in YouTube SEO is going to be your timestamps, okay?
Okay.
So that's what key moments is for. AI description. So let's say, for example, I wanted this one to be about weight loss tips, right? And I'm going to hit enter. And then I could go in and say, weight loss. Enter. Just all the different keywords that I'm trying to rank for, right? And then I simply hit search. The AI is going to come back with descriptors. Those descriptors we then can place right here inside of our description builder. Our description builder is literally going to be the place where we put all of our information. Right? So we already have all of this content right here for each descriptor. So weight loss tips, we go like that, right? There you go. And you can go back through this and edit it as much as you want, right? So this is going to be the description. Usually you're going to put the description, let's say, at the bottom of, if you will, your descriptor or your descriptions. So now let's just say I'm going to use that one right now, okay? And then I want to get some hashtag suggestions, right? So let's go to weight loss tips. And we're going to hit search. And it's going to come back with the top hashtags or trending hashtags on, if you will, YouTube. And we're going to use those specific hashtags.
Okay.
This allows me, if you will, to choose the hashtags I want and put them where I want them to be. All right. So that's one part of it. Then the next part of it, let's say, for example, right after the hashtags, we want to put specific hashtags. We got them in there. All right. We got all our hashtags in there. Next thing I'm going to want to put is, if you will, my canned text. My canned text, for example, I want to put it right here. There you go. All my canned text will be inside of here. Once I put it, I got to choose it. So it's this one. There you go. All my canned text is now right here. I have my hashtags, my canned text, which is going to be, hey, where to follow William at, right?
Catch me outside, how about that?
Now, the other thing I want to put inside of my description is I'm going to put the link for whatever I am, not only the video series, but also maybe I'm promoting a specific tool and I'll put that in there. Or I want to send people to a certain destination, I'll put that in there.
Oh,
So I'm going to do all of these different things, this canned text, and then you can also throw in emojis. Maybe inside this text you break it up, make it more pretty, if you will, and then I can start putting in some emojis. I can go in here and say, okay, I'm looking for, what emojis am I looking for, and I can slap the emojis in there along with whatever I'm talking about and break up my sentences. People tend to like emojis. It grabs their attention. I use them quite a bit. But this tool right here, PCS Tube Growth, is just one of the hacks, if you will, that I use. And I can literally take all this now and copy it. And then I can take, when I'm uploading my video to YouTube, and I can place it inside the video description instead of me having to try to do all this inside YouTube and losing my ever-loving mind.
Well, then everyone loses their minds.
I can do this in one tool called PCS YouTube Growth, and basically you can create all the key moments and everything throughout your video and your AI description. So you're getting rid of, if you will, TubeBuddy, you're getting rid of Jarvis, you're getting rid of any other AI material, you're getting rid of the need to have to go to, if you will, a hashtag finder to find, if you will, trending hashtags for that specific subject. You're also getting rid of the need to having to go to Emojipedia to find emojis to actually put inside of your descriptions, etc.
I wanted to see what you'd do, and you didn't disappoint.
So I hope this video was helpful for you guys today. We just wanted to cover this and show you one of the tools that I use whenever I'm uploading YouTube to rank #1 on YouTube, because I have a lot of guys asking me, because they constantly see my content and they constantly see me ranking #1 on YouTube. So I hope you enjoyed it in today's video, and I appreciate it. Make sure to comment below if you have any specific questions regarding YouTube SEO or any of the tools I may use or my setup. So I appreciate you guys. You guys be blessed and have a great day.
I have so many
many SEOs that hate me and say that I'm still in their methods. They bitch and they cry, labeling me SEO Black Hat. Was a nobody, now I'm at the top. Most wanted, most loved, bad business owners, and hated by most SEO opponents. You think you're an SEO god, but you're an SEO fraud. Guess I'm the SEO devil, shouting fuck the SEO.